It's a 2016 Toyota Sienna. Everyone is happy when the commute involves the versatile Sienna with room, comfort, and amazing safety. The interior changes as fast as your needs with easy access to all seats, along with a split and stow third row. The powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine with a smooth shifting automatic transmission handles a van load of passengers with ease, while everyone stays comfortable with tri-zone climate control. The interior design is as modern as the at-your-fingertips technology, making the Sienna the nicest in its class. You're in full control with a multifunction steering wheel, touchscreen display, and cruise control, while the Star Safety System is always on guard with 6 different safety features. It handles it all from carpool duty to date night for mom and dad. It's roomy, powerful, and classy. This is one cool minivan. Check out the Sienna today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.